Can you believe me if I say that? These are some of the most viewed animation videos on social media, with millions of views on each video, and as you know, these views mean thousands of dollars to the creators. Either through the YouTube AdSense, paid sponsorships, or even TikTok creativity program, stick animations are among the best when it comes to entertaining and engaging audiences on social media. I bet if any one of you guys haven't seen these videos at least once, and only a few creators are doing this niche, so there's barely any competition. The reason why I love these kind of videos, it's because of the amount of views they generate. 1.2 million views, 18.6 million views, 18.9 million views, and so on, and the reason for these much views is that people can barely leave these videos halfway. In fact, some people watch them over and over for so many times, which makes YouTube and TikTok push these videos to an even larger audience, and it means more money for the creators. This one among them is completely free and easy to make videos. And it's the one I'm going to show you today.
Is your name Wi-Fi? Because I'm feeling a strong connection. And honestly, I wouldn't mind getting a bit more connected tonight. Do you have a map?
We're going to make the free version of this stick guy animation, which is very easy and requires no payment, and you can make as many videos as you want for your channel. This video is short, but if you miss one step or mix the steps up, it can lead to videos that don't make sense. So let's get started. First step is to go to this website called Adobe Express Animator, and I have left the link in the description of this video, and make sure it's the correct website, because the other version of Adobe is not free. Now just click on this plus icon, and then move to the Quick Actions tab. Now scroll down until you find the Animate from Audio option, and click on it. It will bring you here where we will do most of our easy work. You just have to follow these steps. Here we have all these characters which we can use and make them talk. And there are so many of them, because if you check on category you can choose from all these, like emojis, animals, humans, and even weird stuff. So let's look for the stick guy. Let's choose him and then resize him to fit in here. After, click on this background tab here. You can pick a background for your character, or a color background, or a place background. And the places include classroom, desert, city, and even space, so let's pick the classroom. Next, click on size and choose the layout that you want. Let's select YouTube. Remember, if you want to choose a portrait size, then you must select a color background which will fit very well. After that, we need a free text-to-speech website to generate the audio for our animation, so we shall use this completely free website, and also I have put the link is in the description. Just need to sign up and you will get 2,000 characters per generation, and you can do it unlimited times and free. As for now, just scroll down to this section, and choose a voice that you like. After listening to these voices, I will choose this Eric voice. After that, you go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT like this: generate for me 3 funny and sexy jokes. After ChatGPT giving you the jokes, you select the jokes one by one and paste it to this website. And turn it into audio. Then download it. Do this to the rest of the other audios. Now go back to Adobe Express and click here on Browse. Then upload the voice we have downloaded and wait for it to finish processing. After, you can download it. To make the animation more engaging, you go to CapCut application, and add captions to the videos like this. Import the video from here. Jump to text, then auto caption, select your preferred language, then click generate. After the captions appear, then go to template and choose the best for your video. Then change the color to yellow or any brighter color, and also adjust on the size of the text to fit in here. We are done, and before showing you my final video, for any questions feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to check out all the resources I have used in this video. I have left them in the description of the video, and don't forget to click the like button to show your support and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this.
Is your name Wi-Fi? Because I'm feeling a strong connection. And honestly, I wouldn't mind getting a bit more connected tonight. Do you have a map? Because I keep getting lost in your eyes. But don't worry, I'd gladly get lost with you anytime. Are you a magician? Because whenever I look at you, everyone else disappears. And suddenly, I'm imagining us making our own kind of magic.